questions? You got questions, you put them in. All right, let's go ahead and look at some of these questions. I asked all of you to put in a couple questions. Why do we really use our beam lights when there's no light on the road, when there's a power failure, when you're in a really dark area? You flip the left handle by your steering wheel and you will turn on your high beam lights. The high beam lights are used when there's very little light on the expressway, the road. And then within 500 feet, you would cut off your high beam lights. So you don't want to blind people with your high beam lights. It's about 500 feet. And if you're blinded by the high beam lights, you should look to the right edge of the road. It's called the edge line or fog line. What do we do when we pass by big trucks? What to do when driving by big trucks when they use high beam lights? They're actually communicating to you, or they're communicating to other drivers, okay? Truckers want to stay out of the way of cars, but unfortunately, cars get in the way of truckers. They really want to stay away from you. You really irritate them. So what my advice to you, pass that truck on the left, stay out of the way, and keep it moving. Don't hang around trucks. If you flash your lights when a truck is merging on, they know it's okay to merge on, and then they'll turn on off their lights. So stay out of the way of trucks, get away from them, don't hang around them.